Ashleen and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another throwback guitar tutorial of Taylor Swift's. This is off her Red album, which is such a beautiful album. So I'm going to be doing a beginner's guitar tutorial of the acoustic version of Treacherous by Taylor Swift. This song is absolutely beautiful and it's really just I think 4 or 5 simple chords, so really easy to learn and a really easy strumming pattern as well. And in the description box below I'll have all of the timestamps for all the chords, the strumming patterns, the chord progressions, and the play along, so check that out if you're interested. So if you want to learn how to play the acoustic version of Treacherous by Taylor Swift, then keep on watching. Alright, so you're going to need to know 4 chords for this song. First is C. Next is G. Next is A minor. And last is a modified F. Alright, so those are the 4 chords that you're going to need to know for this song. Super simple, super easy beginner chords. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in here and show you the strumming pattern for this song. Alright, so the strumming pattern for this song is quite simple. If you are a beginner, you can just do all down strums if that's easier for you. But the strumming pattern for this song specifically is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. So yeah, it's a mixture of down strums and up strums, and you'll notice between the 2 up strums, so down, down, up, there's going to be a bit of a pause, and then you go up, down, up. And when I was learning the song, that was a little bit tricky for me, but the more I practiced it, the better I got at it. So yeah, just try practicing that strumming pattern, see if it works for you. If not, then definitely do the down strums. It'll definitely work for this song as well. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the chord progression, the main chord progression for the song. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my capo on the 3rd fret here. So the main chord progression for this song is going to be C, G, A minor, and F. So C, G, A minor, and F. So if we put that together with the strumming pattern, this is what it's going to look like. Down, down, up, down, up, G, down, up, down, up, A minor, down, up, down, up, F, down, up, C, down, up, down, up, G, down, up, A minor, down, up, F, down, up. And then you would just continue that. That's the main chord progression for basically the entire song, besides the bridge where it's the same 4 chords, but it just changes up a bit. So yeah, that's the main chord progression for the song. So to put it with lyrics, this is what the chord progression and the strumming pattern will sound like and look like. Put your lips close to mine, as long as they don't touch. Out of focus, eye to eye, till gravity's too much. And then you would continue on. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the chord progression at the bridge. So this is where the 4 same chords change up a bit. So the chord progression for the bridge is going to be G, A minor, F, and C. So G, A minor, F, and C. And putting that together with the strumming pattern, this is what the bridge would sound like. I visualize what the bridge would sound like. Alright guys, so now that we have the chords, the strumming pattern, the chord progression, and the chord progression for the bridge, I'm going to put it all together now and we can play along. So while I'm playing, I'll have the chords up in the corner somewhere so you could play along as well. Feel free at any point to just pause the video and practice the chords if that's helpful for you. And yeah, let's get into the play along here. Put your lips close to mine, as long as they don't touch. Out of focus, eye to eye, till gravity's too much. I'll do anything you say, if you say it with your hands. I just want to walk away, but you quicksand. This love is treacherous. This path is reckless. This love is treacherous, and I like it. Alright guys, so that is my acoustic version of Treacherous by Taylor Swift. I hope this was helpful to all the beginner guitar players out there and all of the Swifties out there. I absolutely love this song and it's so much fun to play because it's so simple to learn. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, then click that subscribe button. And let me know in the comments what you thought of this guitar tutorial, if there's any ways I can improve, or any other Taylor Swift song suggestions that you have. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.